Akhurst Machinery is a Canadian-based importer and distributor of industrial equipment, primarily to the woodworking and metalworking industries. We sell and service our equipment all throughout North America. Akhurst Machinery was established in 1938 by our great-grandfather William Accursed. He started the business at the age of 60. This was a time when I guess most people would be considering retirement. Prior to this, William served as the Western sales manager for a company called the Canadian Fairbanks Morse Company. They were an equipment distributor based in Eastern Canada. A few years later, he was joined by our grandfather Spud after serving in the Canadian Navy in World War II. Shortly after this, the company expanded their organization and expanded east and eventually had national coverage. 8 decades later, Accursed still remains a family-owned company. We're now in our 4th generation of ownership. The current ownership consists of my older brother Graham Accursed, cousin Brent Accursed, and myself. The company officially transferred from the 3rd generation to the 4th in 2016 by way of our fathers Bruce and Brian Accursed.
Currently, we operate from 5 facilities across Canada with offices in BC, Alberta, Ontario, Quebec, and New Brunswick. Additionally, the company operates a sales office dedicated to our U.S. operations. The Accursed group of companies includes the operations of Cantech America Incorporated, which distributes our Cantech and LeaderMac products throughout the United States, directly to our customers and through our extensive dealer network. Over the years, the company has evolved our product offerings to reflect the changes in the industries we're involved in. Today, we are focused on the secondary wood processing, panel processing, sheet metal, metal fabrication, and structural steel industries. This has always been a strength of our company to spot new trends in the market and become an early adopter to meet these challenges.
Over the years, our goal has been to provide equipment solutions to our customers' manufacturing challenges. In addition to selling industrial equipment, Accursed has always focused heavily on developing technical service support. Our service team performs many on-site tasks such as installs, training, repairs, preventive maintenance. In addition to on-site service, we're able to provide remote, phone, and video support to all of our customers in need. We've put a significant focus on Accursed service as we feel that the equipment's reliability is just as important as the solutions that we're able to provide.
My name is Eric Stebner. I'm the president of Accursed, and I've served in that role for over 20 years. While I'm not legally in Accursed, I feel like I'm part of the family and I have a deep connection to our company and its people. We've got a great team, and I think that's largely a result of the company's values that stem from family values. Our company has really embraced those values as part of its DNA. We do our best to treat our employees, our suppliers, and our customers the way we'd want to be treated, and it's really all about respect. We're all part of an extended family. We're proud of the many long-term employees who've built a career with us as part of our team. We have so many employees having 20, 40 years of service. It's hard to fathom, but our longest serving employee has over 56 years of service with us. It's a bit of a cliche, but in our case it's absolutely true, not just words. Our strength is our people. I'm very proud that over the years our people have been there for our company through thick and thin, and that I think in the same way we've been there for them, and that the relationship that we've shared is appreciated all around.
Yeah, we joined FEX back in 2018. Running a family business has some unique differences to that of a standard conventional business. Some of these include family governance, transition planning, dealing with active and inactive family members. So we've just found in FEX a group of other like-minded individuals and other family business owners where we can talk about these challenges. We learn from one another. Accursed is proud of our history as a family-owned and operated business. We'd especially like to thank our extended family, which includes our staff, customers, and suppliers for their support over the past 80+ years. Thank you.